welcome back to my channel. As you already know by the intro, this video is about how to wear a tulle skirt literally every day. Initially, I thought of creating a lookbook sharing different ways I style a tulle skirt, but I got an even better idea. I thought of creating a series like a guidebook, or you can call it a cheat sheet. It's not a rule book, not at all. I don't like rules. Fashion should not have any rules. The only rule I follow is if it looks good on you, you should wear it. So in this brand new series, I will be sharing some ways you can style an item and my top tips to incorporate them in your everyday outfits. A tulle skirt is my absolute favorite skirt to wear. You might have seen my tulle skirt collection in my midi skirt collection video, which I will link somewhere up here in one of the cards for you guys to watch if you haven't already. I have quite a lot of tulle skirts and I have collected some more this fall and winter, and I find that tulle skirts are such a feminine yet chic take on skirts. You can style them in so many different ways. They are really versatile in terms of a wardrobe essential to take you from an everyday look to something fancy. You can dress it down, dress it up. It has enormous potential. So without blabbering anymore, let's get into this video. Before we talk about whether tulle skirts are in style or not, let's talk about a brief history of tulle skirts. Tulle skirts were created as a form of lace in early 1700, but the actual tulle pattern, or you can say the fabric tulle pattern, the pattern of a tulle skirt, was patented in 1809 and were started to be manufactured to specially be used in wedding gowns, evening gowns, and even in lingerie. Now that is not it. We have seen tulle skirt travel all through the era in different ways. Even in current year in 2020, we have seen famous designers like Dior, Valentino, Dolce & Gabbana, and so on showcase their versions of tulle skirts in their runways. So to sum it up, tulle skirts probably will never go out of style, and I find that they are kind of a wardrobe essential. Every woman should own at least one tulle skirt so that they can dress it up or dress it down or wear it on special occasions or even on every day to feel a little bit feminine and chic. Now, I absolutely wear tulle skirts all through the year in different ways. I'm not going to show all my outfits of tulle skirts. If you are curious to see how I actually wear them literally every season, I have shared so many outfits on my Instagram, Pink April Diary. And if you're not friends on Instagram, why not? Let's be friends. This is a common question even I asked myself when I initially started wearing a tulle skirt. How do you dress down? If you really are looking for more of a casual way of dressing a tulle skirt, I would recommend going for a tulle skirt which does not have that many layers. A tulle skirt with multiple layers looks more puffy and fancier, more like a ballerina, compared to a tulle skirt with just one or two layers or just one layer. Looks more casual, looks more like a pleated skirt, especially if you have some kind of a pattern in it or if it has got some kind of a texture. If you want to create a more casual look, I would recommend going for sweatshirts or chunkier sweaters, or for summer going for t-shirts and even like denim shirts, which are going to create more of a casual vibe. For footwear, you can I have gone for pumps even with sweatshirts and shirts, but you can also do sneakers. I find that it creates such a cute feminine look and it still looks more wearable. Now, if you want to create more of an edgy look with tulle skirts, it can also be done very easily. You can actually add some hardware details to your outfit, like a belt with a metallic buckle, or silver jewelry compared to gold jewelry creates more of an edgier look. I would pair it with leather jackets, bomber jackets as well. This way you're creating more of a edgy look, but not too edgy or not too feminine. Now, if your style is still feminine and you still want to look polished but still want to dress down a tulle skirt, I would recommend going for more classic tops like a white button-down shirt, which looks really classic, and it is such an essential in every woman's wardrobe, even for men. This is a common question. I think even I ask, a lot of us ask, how to not look fat with a tulle skirt. Because tulle skirt in general is a more of a puffy and more of something, a flared kind of a skirt, which adds a little bit more of a volume to your bottom compared to any other kind of skirt which kind of tones down and it falls. So we often kind of feel a little bit more bulkier in a tulle skirt compared to normal skirt, and that sometimes kind of makes us not wear them. So for that, I have a few tips for you. The first tip is, if you are wearing a tulle skirt that is really frilly, go for something super fitted. Even if you have a bit of upper part like mine, a little bit of boobs, it doesn't matter, it will still look flattering if you're wearing something fitted. Now, my second tip is going for footwear that have pointy toes. Now, this is a little bit of trick that I do this for every single one of my outfits because I want to look a little bit leaner. I am just an average kind of size 4 to 6 kind of a woman, so I tend to look bulkier in pieces that have a little bit more of a volume. So my trick is to add pointy toe shoes like pointy toe boots, even pointy toe loafers, pointy toe pumps or sandals that add more of kind of a linear structure, making you look leaner and your legs look leaner. That way, even if you are wearing a bulkier tulle skirt, you will look more leaner and taller as well. My third tip is to add a belt. A belt kind of creates a kind of like a division and it draws attention to your waist, making your waist look a little bit slimmer and also kind of accentuates a curvier structure compared to if you feel, especially if you have a straight figure like mine, you would look way more like curvier, that hourglass figure that we all kind of look for. That a belt can add that kind of a style to your outfit. And my last tip to not look fat on a tulle skirt is to add something structured at the top as a third layer. Now, if you are in summer and you're wearing like a loose fitted t-shirt with a tulle skirt, I would recommend adding a blazer. A blazer would look really chic and it will add that structure touch, and blazers tend to also look more structured around your waistline, so it creates a leaner look to your outfit. And if you're in winter, go for more structured coats compared to bulkier coats. If you're wearing a tulle skirt, that creates more of a structured outfit, and you also look overall leaner in that outfit. Tulle skirts kind of tend to become like a ballerina uniform. We tend to associate it with ballerina outfits whenever we think of a tulle skirt, but they don't have to be. You can actually still look fancy and not look like a ballerina with a tulle skirt. Now, when I want to tone down a tulle skirt and still look fancy, I tend to wear like a button-down shirt with collar underneath a sweater, or that kind of creates more of a structured and even if it looks fancy, it still looks structured and polished and chic. I also like to add some kind of a gold jewelry to my outfit when I'm wearing a tulle skirt, so that it looks more of dressy compared to more like a ballerina, because ballerinas tend to not wear that much of jewelry anyways. So that kind of changes the perspective of that entire outfit to look more chic. I also like to wear dressier sandals, like strappy sandals, or even boots which are dress boots, like pointy heels and pointy toes, that tend to create a different bit of a style with a tulle skirt compared to making it look like a ballerina outfit. You can actually add your tulle skirt underneath a sweater dress to create a different kind of an outfit. It actually looks like a ball gown. You can also add pleated skirt above a tulle skirt, adding more layer and bounce and creating more of a vintage style look with a tulle skirt without looking over the top like a ballerina. Now, you don't have to spend thousands of dollars on a tulle skirt buying a designer tulle skirt. There are so many shops out there who have really awesome tulle skirts with a good price point. My favorite, and you already probably know this, is Chic-ish. I absolutely love all of their tulle skirts. The price point of each of those tulle skirts are really budget friendly. You can find a variety of styles. Now, another shop that I absolutely love is ASOS. They have a really good tulle skirt collection as well. They have more of a modern touch to the tulle skirts. They have layered tulle skirts. They also have some awesome tulle skirts that you can shop if you're looking for outfits for a wedding. They have some maxi tulle skirts that are structured, stylish, and modern. Now, if you're looking for tulle skirts on Amazon, I think a lot of us do shop for Amazon, and tulle skirts, we tend to kind of associate them with a little bit of costume. I would caution you to look at the quality of the tulle skirt and the price point. Anything underneath $25 might not look that amazing in terms of wearing it every single day. If you are shopping it for a costume purpose, by all means go for it. But if you really want to wear a tulle skirt for like every day, I would recommend trying to look for something which is more than $25, because the quality of the tulle is what will reflect in your entire outfit. So if you want to incorporate some good tulle skirts in your everyday outfit, I would recommend going for Chic-ish or ASOS. I have seen occasionally brands like Ann Taylor, even Gap come up with some tulle skirts here and there, but if you are looking for a tulle skirt any season, these are the two brands that you can go for. I hope you found this guide a little bit helpful in deciding what kind of style you want to wear in terms of tulle skirts, or how do you want to dress your tulle skirt. If you like this video, please don't forget to click that like button to support your gal, and if you haven't already and you like these kind of style videos, don't forget to click that subscribe button and the bell icon. If you don't click the bell icon, YouTube will not tell you when a new video from Pink April Diary is coming out. So click that bell icon as well. By the time this video will be out, it will already be 2021. So wishing all of you lovely people a very happy new year. Hoping that this new year is going to be way better than 2020. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!